Potassium helps you sleep. Shout out guacamole lovers, because avocado is one of the best sources of potassium. What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming to my channel. My name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. How am I qualified to help you with this information? Well, because I struggled with insomnia from the time I was like 12 years old until I was in my mid-30s, and now I'm 43. So, yeah, I can help you. I used to take medications. I don't take any medications anymore. I've been clean and sober for 15 years, so no drugs, no alcohol, no medications, not even aspirin in my body, and I've healed, and the Lord healed me. So thank you so much for watching. Here we go. Check it out. I'm going to make it short, simple, sexy, and straight to the point because I value you and I value your time. Also, make sure that you subscribe to this channel if this is your first time watching. Give a thumbs up, and please leave a comment because we are a community. We are family. I don't want subscribers. I want friends and family. You're worth it. Love y'all. Okay, check it out. Talk to me, okay? So, potassium. We've been duped by mainstream media into believing, and even in doctors will tell you a lot of times that bananas are the #1 source of potassium. And it seems like that's the only thing they ever tell us is that you should eat a banana. Like, banana is the only thing that has potassium. And #1, bananas don't have the highest amounts of potassium. And #2, bananas are full of sugar, which can make you sick. And also, bananas can be addictive. You eat a lot of bananas, you think you're doing good because it's a fruit and there's no, like, refined sugar in it. But no. No. The better sources of potassium are broccoli, avocado, sea vegetables, and potatoes, cremini mushrooms, and another thing is peanuts. Peanuts have a lot of potassium, but do not eat peanuts after 2 p.m. because they could keep you awake. Also, hummus, beans, and peanuts and things like that, nuts, seeds, those kind of things, if you eat them after 2 p.m., could keep you awake because they take a long time and a lot of work to digest them, okay? So, but leafy greens, okay? Leafy greens, sea vegetables, potatoes, broccoli, cremini mushrooms, and avocados are the best sources of potassium. So, it has been, studies have shown that, and I'll put the study down here below, the one that I was looking at in particular, and it shows you, it's from the government, but this is a good site that you can trust. It shows you that eating foods with potassium, how potassium helps increase your sleep efficiency, and how potassium helps you to stay awake or stay asleep longer and to stop you from waking up as much. Now, I can prove to you, if you just look at all of the insane amounts of content on my YouTube channel, my TikTok, my podcast, I mean, Instagram, I'm just killing it. I got my own website that I built from scratch. I've been doing my own merch. I've been doing live stream for Amazon. So if you just looked at the insane amounts of content from me, all the work that I've been putting in, you can tell that I sleep well because my brain is like that and I'm very energetic. So there you go. Take it from me. Eat healthy. Leafy greens. I love arugula. That's probably my favorite. Spinach. Romaine lettuce. Anything that's green, like not regular like iceberg, but leafy greens. Okay, kale. All right, and then also broccoli and avocado, cremini mushrooms, which I love. I love stuffed mushrooms and potatoes, but also sea vegetables. If you like sea vegetables, like I don't really like sea vegetables, but some people like to eat seaweed and algae and stuff. I'm not into that, but it depends on how it's cooked. All right, but if you like these type of things, I also have. If you like these foods, well, if you don't like them, you have to start liking them. Okay, but if you love guacamole, I have a guacamole recipe for you. It's amazing. It's delicious. You can buy all the ingredients on Instacart. Instacart or Amazon. My recipes will be in the videos and the links will be below. Also, I'm going to put them in the description for my guacamole, my hummus, chocolate peanut butter hummus. And then also I will put the recipe for this is probably my most popular recipe, is avocado pudding. Chocolate avocado pudding. So you'll love that one. And make sure you portion everything out, all right? Also, check out Shawn Stevenson's book, Sleep Smarter, and his YouTube channel, which is below. And that's where you got to sign up for his website. I'll put his website because that's where I got the PDF, where I got the idea to do this for my mom. I love you, Mama. Sleep tight. You're worth it. Eat healthy so you can sleep better, all right? So thanks for watching. I love you. I'm here, and I'm here for you. The reason I do everything I do is because I'm so freaking grateful for what God did for me. Healed me of insomnia, helped me heal of my childhood trauma so I could sleep better at night, and got me out of a wheelchair where I couldn't walk and I had no hair, getting me clean and sober and all those things. You are the reason why I do everything that I do, because I'm so grateful, and I want you to learn the things that God gave me and helped me to go through so that I can help you to get through it yourself, all right? You're worth it. Lots of love, and make sure that you subscribe, thumbs up, share this with a friend. Please comment, all right? You are worth it. My name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. You're worth it.